Total gain, 332%. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're introducing a powerful and fully automated trading system called Perceptrader AI. Originally priced at $2,499, this AI is now available for just $30 exclusively on FX Crack. Time frames, M5 optimized for precise entries and smooth trade execution. To get started, a minimum balance of $500 is required. Pairs 6 different pairs, selected for reliable market behavior and strong trading opportunities. Now let's review the EA's performance. It has achieved a solid total gain of 332%. While keeping the drawdown as low as 17%. The EA also maintains an impressive 65% win rate, reflecting strong trading accuracy. Next, let's open MetaTrader 4 and set up the EA. Within the Inputs tab, you can customize the settings based on your trading preferences. The EA is now fully set up and ready to trade. For complete details and download, visit our website FX Crack. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.